Morning, everyone. This is Sean Fisher, education consultant and owner of Fisher Education Consulting. Just taking a moment to give a quick message as I'm getting ready to. It's about 6:20 in the morning. I'm on my way out to a professional development that I'm coordinating for a Section 504 training. We're gonna have about 20 or 30 educators, very intimate setting. I was blessed to be selected to coordinate the event, so I'm just getting ready to get out there and make sure that everything's ready and our speaker's good to go. Stand by for further pictures and a blog, which you can check out on our YouTube channel, which this will be posted on with a link to our blog. This is Sean Fisher, CEO and education consultant for Fisher Education Consulting, saying have a great day and be productive. Thank you.